takes a rim clamp to change them.
Shit, what's his name down there? Used to be on Main Street, and he's over at Swapper's old building.
David Minton.
He got a rim clamp.
Man.
Well, they call it forwarder.
Shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. Cupid, thunderstruck, 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 thunderstruck. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? thunderstruck. Went down the highway, broke the limits, we hit the town. Went to the Texas, yeah, Texas, and we had some fun. We met some girls, some dancers who gave a good time. Broke all the rules, played all the fools, yeah, yeah, they blew our minds. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. You've been thunderstruck.